In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you outpaint into Leonardo AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser or open Leonardo website into your desktop. And after opening your browser, just simply search for Leonardo AI and open the website. Now, when you open the website, you will just simply have to log in your Leonardo account and make sure it is on your desktop side if you are using the mobile. Then, after opening your Leonardo AI into desktop side, you will just simply have to choose this canvas editor option. You will get that option right here into the upper right side. Just simply tap to canvas editor and it will open a really new page for you. Now you just simply have to wait for the page to be loaded because it will require a little bit of time to be loaded. And after that, Leonardo will create this page for you. Now into here, you can easily select a bunch of options such as canvas mode, image dimensions, number of images, outpaint and many more. You can choose the outpaint option from here. Just simply enable this toggle for inpaint or outpaint and you can easily outpaint into Leonardo AI from this section. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.